Just give me 5 minutes.
No,
Just
no,
give
no,
me.
just, that's all right, that's all
Just give me 5 minutes that I can just come back.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, I'm just be thankful for all these people who's helping me in coming through all this stuff. Maybe I was busy getting down and out, and I'm back again.
With South Africa, we have a system where in order to access a court, you basically need an attorney to assist you in most cases. What we then offer is an opportunity for clients who don't have money to access courts. We offer them that assistance free of charge so that they're able to also exercise the rights that they have.
To me personally, this is the most gratifying work that you could ever do, is to help someone with something that is so close and dear to them. And it really would sound cliche, but I feel like we really make a difference in our clients' lives.
The Law Clinic provides a front row seat to our students for the access to justice problem that is prevalent in the Western Cape, which means that law students come to the Law Clinic and they work on active client files and they provide legal assistance to those clients.
So as a final year law student at Stellenbosch University, my motivation to working for the Law Clinic was primarily two reasons. The first being that, throughout my years as a law student, I didn't really get the practical exposure that I felt would prepare me for the working world, but just really expose me to what is the reality of being a legal representative. So I love that the Law Clinic really equips us with the technical skills that are required to represent people in real life and in real time. And secondly, and I think what is most important for me, is just being exposed to the reality of society and being able to help people who are poor and marginalized and who would otherwise not have access to legal representation.
That day I won the case, I was like, I cry. I was crying. I was crying. I won that case, but I was crying because my heart feel like inside I have that thing. I don't know how to describe it, but that thing inside my heart. Because I love my daughter. I really love her.
Working at the Stellenbosch Law Clinic really helped me prepare for the practical elements of what practice demands of you. So when I started at STVB in 2019, I had bridged the gap between what it means to study and what it means to actually work and have clients, have to file, have to keep track of time, manage cases, and be accountable to somebody. But working here at the clinic, it opens your eyes to how desperate people are and how difficult their circumstances are. And it's quite humbling to be the person who they arrive and look to you as a student who's got no other experience, and you are the person that they are counting on. You're the one who has to do the research, do the work, reassure them, keep them updated, and they're really holding on to you as sort of their last hope.
One of the important things to remember is that law is a powerful tool for social change, but it has limitations. One of the ways we overcome the limitations of the law is by partnering with NGOs and other organizations who work on the ground and have first-hand knowledge of people's day-to-day experiences with the Constitution and with human rights violations. As a result, together we've been able to help dozens of communities across the country with access to justice in areas where they may not be able to afford, or there may not be an extensive network of lawyers.
For me personally, as a person that comes from those backgrounds, that has seen the people suffering, it actually means a lot to me to know that I can give that opportunity to someone else in that community.
Luckily for me, I'm out of it. And if there's people out there in the same situations like us, please just go for legal help.
I want to say thank you to Law Clinic, Stellenbosch Law Clinic. The thing is, they helped me very well, and they were willing to help me, and they were help me with their heart. And I have that heartfelt thanks to them, just from my heart, bottom of my heart, heartfelt thanks.
But a house for me is, and I opened my gates after the 7th of March this year, that great feeling that you got, this is my house again.